Gnome, the Apple fanboy of Linux. Everything's hidden behind gestures and activities. Where's my minimize button? Welcome to 2024, boomer. Great for laptops and touchscreens, terrible for your 90-year-old dad. KDE Plasma, the gamer's paradise. RGB everything, widgets everywhere, more customization than a Skyrim mod list. Runs great on modern hardware, but will lag on your grandmother's netbook, harder than Cyberpunk on PS4. XFCE, the server admin's choice. Looks like Windows XP had a baby with common sense. Perfect for old hardware, remote connections, and people who actually want to work instead of tweaking themes for 6 hours. Cinnamon, Windows refugee headquarters. Wait, this isn't Windows 7? Nope, but it's close enough. Your mom could use this without calling you for tech support every 20 minutes. i3, the I use Arch by the way starter pack. No mouse allowed, everything is shortcuts. Your setup looks like you're hacking the Pentagon, but you're just opening Firefox. Perfect for developers who want RSI by age 30. LXQt is a super lightweight Linux desktop built for speed. It uses almost no RAM, launches instantly, and doesn't care how old your PC is. Not flashy, but